Hello and welcome to Caribbean TNE. Tonight I have an unboxing with the MTX Audio 5510 subwoofer. This unboxing is for my nephews Shane and Scotty, my biggest fans on YouTube. It's all for them. And let's get them to the unboxing. You know, I like to make my unboxing short and sweet. Get down to it. My Milwaukee knife. It's gonna be a short video. I'll go through the parameters very quickly. You don't really see much unboxing videos with this MTX 55 model on YouTube, so I guess I'll do one. So we have the box building spec sheet, parameters. Now the sub frequency is 35 Hz. Okay. X max 15.24 millimeters. That's kind of the main stuff that you would be interested in. Okay. The power rating, RMS. Well, it's not. I can't find it right. Sorry. 400 watts RMS. That'll be 800 watts max. Okay. Now the good stuff. So this is a nice one. Throw this box aside. Usual. Right. Check out the aesthetics. This MTX logo at the bottom of it. Double stitching, inverted suspension. Let's take a look at the back. Ooh. Nice MTX Audio logo. The back. Nice metal flake pattern on it. Here this is Dual 2. It's a Dual 2 sub, 400 watts RMS. And well, soon I'm going to put this in a box, like tomorrow. You'll see and you'll hear what we'll be playing in the car. So, short unboxing video. Hope you enjoyed it. And this is for you, Scotty and Shane. Good night.